Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today we're talking about a tool that can completely change your motorcycle maintenance experience. If you've ever struggled with awkward, unstable stands while trying to do basic work, you'll appreciate this. We're reviewing the VEVOR Motorcycle Lift, a budget-friendly, manual scissor lift priced under $60. It's designed for the home garage enthusiast, offering a solid lift solution without the complexity or cost of heavy-duty shop equipment. In this video, I'll walk you through my hands-on experience, exploring its build, ease of use, and whether it truly stands up to real-world demands. So, let's dive in and see if this lift is the dependable upgrade your bike work has been waiting for. Let me start by setting the scene. I was tired of balancing my bike on precarious jacks and makeshift stands, so I decided to invest in a dedicated motorcycle lift. The VEVOR Motorcycle Lift caught my eye with its promise of a 1,100-pound capacity and a surprisingly low $57 price point. At first, I was skeptical. How good could a budget-friendly lift really be? But after putting it through its paces on my Honda Shadow, I can confidently say this is a game-changer for the home garage. It's not a fancy hydraulic-powered shop behemoth, but it's a solid manual scissor lift that gets the job done with surprising stability and ease. The included dolly is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to maneuver around the garage when not in use. From a features perspective, this lift is straightforward yet effective. The hand crank is smooth and requires minimal effort. I was able to lift the front end of my 400-pound bike without straining. The wide deck provides a stable platform that sits nicely under the frame, keeping the bike level and secure. I particularly appreciate the center hoist design, which allows for easy access to the wheels, brakes, and suspension, a critical benefit when you're doing maintenance like tire changes or brake service. The safety pin is a standout feature for me. Unlike some jacks that rely solely on the worm gear, this one has a pin that locks the rolling leg in place, adding that extra layer of security that gives me peace of mind when I'm working under the bike. In terms of practical use, I've found this lift incredibly versatile. Beyond motorcycles, it's perfect for supporting heavier items like electric scooters, ATVs, or even small machinery. For instance, I used it to lift an electric wheelchair carrier off a vehicle, an application I hadn't originally considered, but it handled effortlessly with the hand crank. For bike maintenance, it shines during tire rotations or suspension adjustments. I've also used it to store my bike vertically in the garage, saving floor space. The dolly makes it easy to roll the lift out of the way when I need the space for other projects. It's not just for pros. Even a weekend warrior like me can handle it solo without any hassle. However, it's only fair to discuss some of the limitations. While the lift is rated for 1,100 pounds, I'd personally hesitate to use it for something like a heavy bagger or a fully loaded touring bike, especially at the higher weight limits. The stability is great for lighter bikes, but if you're pushing the limits, I'd recommend additional precautions. Another minor gripe is the fit for some motorcycles. It slides a bit in the dolly, but a simple fix like a silicone mat or some foam padding resolve that. Also, the included hardware uses standard nuts and washers, which might require box end wrenches. I ended up using an impact driver for quicker assembly, which worked perfectly. These are small trade-offs for such an affordable product. From a personal standpoint, this lift has transformed my approach to bike care. I used to dread lifting my Suzuki DR 650 onto a stand. Now, I can do it solo in minutes. The process is intuitive. Steady the bike with one hand, turn the crank with the other, and lift. On my Honda Shadow, it was particularly stable for a tire change day, and I never felt like the bike was at risk. I even added a bit of extra grease to the threads and bearings, as some reviews suggested, and it made the operation even smoother. The weight of the lift itself is substantial, which speaks to its solid construction, but it's manageable thanks to the dolly. For the price, it feels like a tool that will last years. Overall, this VEVOR Motorcycle Lift offers exceptional value for both casual users and serious hobbyists. It's not without its quirks. Some may find the fit less than perfect on certain bikes, and it's not designed for ultra-heavy loads, but for everyday maintenance, it's reliable, sturdy, and easy to use. Whether you're changing a tire, inspecting suspension, or just need a stable stand for working on your bike, this lift delivers. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for an affordable, no-fuss solution that's built to handle real-world use. It's earned a permanent spot in my garage, and I can't imagine working on my bikes without it. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned tinkerer, the Vevo Lift is your garage's new MVP. Ready to elevate your bike maintenance game? Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more real-world tool reviews that help you wrench smarter. Thanks for watching. Now go lift something.